Friends, good evening. Welcome to my channel Nifty Se Aage. A quick wrap of the week which has gone by. I had told you above 15,840 we will be bullish and below 15,740 we will be bearish. So, and the range that I had told you was 15,850 to 15,550. The market made a slightly broader range to around 15,584 to 15,780. So basically the market remained within the range that I had told you, and as I had told you that below 15,740 we should be bearish. I hope some of the friends have taken that advice and have made good profits as the Nifty slided down below 15,600 and then 15,550 levels also. Now in the coming week, friends, the range is very simple. It is 15,450 to 15,750, and the smaller range for the week on a closing basis would be between 15,500 and 15,700. So the critical support is at 15,450, which we tested today, and you need to focus on that support of 15,450, because if that is breached on a closing basis, then the market can show more downside in the coming week. But otherwise, by and large, the market should remain between the range of 15,500 to 15,700 with the intraday swing sometimes taking it slightly above 15,700 or slightly below 15,500. So that is by and large the range. And friends, in the last few days, last 3 days to be precise, you must be observing that the market is making lower highs and lower lows. It is a clear cut indication that the market bull run for the time being has reversed and market is bracing for some amount of correction. So friend, as we have been seeing the vertical rise in last 2-3 weeks, so now obviously in any bull run the correction is also fast and furious. This coming week maybe the correction may not be furious, though we have seen in the last 3 days that it can be fast. But maybe in July we can see bigger corrections in the market, and in front of those corrections, these small corrections mean nothing, friends. The only thing which worries me is that at the level of 15,800, 15,900, a lot of retailers would have bought Nifty index shares as well as mid caps and small caps in the booming market, and I am sure very soon they are going to get trapped. Some of them probably who would have bought index shares would have already been trapped in the last 3 days itself because of this sudden fall. Now friend, the fall may continue, and the reason being the Fed meeting which happened concluded on Wednesday night. Fed has been hawkish in its statement and has said that from 2023 early they would start increasing the interest rates because central banks around the world are now under pressure to increase rates because economies are opening up, inflation is going above the comfort level, and in our country, friends, frankly, our economy was never so good last year. Even this year we are on the shaky ground, but because a lot of easy money was flowing from the developed markets into the emerging markets. So we are going to be affected more than the US markets also. The reason being, now that money supply would slowly dry up, and in our country we have additional issues of inflation going up because of fuel prices and commodity prices going up. And on the other hand, the crude prices going to 74 $75 is also not comfortable for our country. So coupled with inflation, fuel prices, rupee becoming weaker in front of the dollar, and the economic situation on ground, and also some little news of third wave coming soon around Maharashtra, and then maybe nobody knows which parts it can affect. So that's again also a very difficult thing to counter, because economy which has been slowly and painfully opening, if there is another lockdown, it will be very difficult for a country like us to grow GDP or to take up the expenses for growth. So that can again mean more negativity in the markets. But the major reason would be the easy money, because till such time that the easy money was flowing into emerging markets, the markets were going up irrespective of any bad news or anything. But now, as we are seeing the reversal in the last 3 days, mainly because of the Fed decision, we might see some correction in our market, and the correction may be by and large slightly more severe than the developed markets. So friends, for the coming week, the simple range is 15,500 to 15,700. My sense says that any major correction that has to happen will happen in the month of July. Till such time, we can operate for the next week within the range of 15,500 to 15,700. In case of you are still stuck up with stocks or mutual funds, my humble advice to you would be to switch over to Nifty Bees, Gold Bees, and N100. See, these are index driven ETFs, and you will be riding the growth along with the index for every year, year after year, and you don't have to bother about sectors, portfolios, which mutual fund to choose. So, if you want to get away from all those hassles, it is better to be invested in Nifty Bees, N100, and Gold Bees as and when you get an opportunity during the dips on a falling knife basis. Also, friends, if you want to know a strategy which can give you a constant weekly income for the rest of your life, you can WhatsApp me for details at 90739 15315. 90739 15315. Till such time, friends, take care, be careful about the downside. Upside is intact at 15,700, but the downside may be open depending on world markets. I hope you have a profitable next week. Also, take care, keep your safety against corona, as still coronavirus has not completely eradicated. Thank you, friends. If you like my videos, please share it with your friends to help them out, and subscribe to my channel to motivate me to give you more and more educational videos. And friends, lastly, the disclaimer: this is not a buy sell call. You need to discuss with your financial advisor before taking a decision, because markets are subject to risk and it is your hard earned money. Okay friends, thank you very much. Good night.